Hi, my name is Andrea Koch, and I'm going to start off by apologizing for my appearance. I worked all day and I have to work all day tomorrow, so I'm doing this kind of late at night. But I wanted to say hi to everybody, so I figured I would do it now. I am 22, and I just graduated from Bowling Green State University with a major in neuroscience and a minor in chemistry. And I actually had a behavioral and neural genetics class that I had to take for my major, and it was super interesting. So I'm really excited to take this class and learn more of the fundamentals in genetics, because I think it's really important to understand genetics when looking at neuroscience and the brain and behavior, because it stems from those genes that you inherit from your parents. So I am really looking forward to this class. Oh goodness, random things about me. This picture was taken in my office where I worked before COVID-19 shut everything down. I figured I would show you when I'm not looking ridiculous. I'm a very fun-loving, happy person. I really like to read and write and sing and spend time with friends and family, which has been hard with COVID, having to social distance, but we all have to do our part. So I can't wait to get to know you guys and go on this journey with you. I can't express how excited I am to take a genetics class, and I was upset when I couldn't fit it into my schedule in Bowling Green State University, where I graduated, because I ended up needing it anyway. I want to go to PA school to be a physician's assistant, and I'm in my gap year right now. So I wanted to take some classes that would maybe look more competitive, or be required at some of the schools that I wanted to go to, and one of those is genetics as well as another one. So this class is another important step for me in becoming a PA. So I am really excited about that. I wanted to share with you the cutest baby in the world. She is my world. She's my niece, and I wish that I could share a picture with you guys of her and her mom side to side, who is my sister, because they are identical, and that's genetics in motion right there. She is the cutest little baby. She almost always looks angry, but I managed to get her to look pretty okay in this picture. And I also have another baby. His name is Henderson, and he is my emotional support animal. He drives me nuts, but in a good way. So when I'm not working or doing schoolwork, I am with them, messing around, or trying to read a book or something. So that's really kind of an overview of me. If you have any questions, please let me know. I am excited to get started with you guys, and I will see you on the forums.